Good evening. Thank you. One of the things which we say in PMI is good things happen when you're involved with PMI. Good things happen when you're involved with PMI. One of the ambitions I had was to be like this TV anchors wearing this remote for mic kind of thing here. That was a big high for me, and PMI today fulfilled that for me by making me wear this. I was hoping for a collar mic here. Now the reason I'm saying that is because you saw earlier when Ricardo talked and he asked people to stand up. The volunteers, there are a lot of volunteers here. The reason they are with us is because sincerely good things does happen when you're involved with PMI. But before I go ahead on what I want to talk about volunteers, I do want to thank a few people who have helped us organize this 6th conference here. Obviously, to make it affordable for all of you to register and join us, the sponsors, we have Microsoft who has been with us right from day one, that's 5 years back. So a really sincere thanks to Microsoft for the continued support to PMI. We have Broadridge who has helped us for Hyderabad this year. We also have had other support which has been coming regularly from IIL, ESI, Playjet, Astrovix, and Ericsson. So a round of applause for all the sponsors for helping us deliver this conference to all of you here. Having said that, it's important to mention the volunteers. This entire conference is organized, executed by volunteers. PMI is the financial support for this conference, but all the heavy lifting for the conference is done by the conference volunteers, PMI PCC volunteers. They are ably supported by other chapters. The chapters are represented here today. So a big thanks to all the other chapters and chapter volunteers who have come here to support this conference. There are a few other groups which have come into play, which have done a lot of work. The leadership team for awards, which worked out the entire awards program. The tag team, the technical paper assessment group, which ensured that all of you get the best papers of the over 300 papers submitted, abstracts submitted, so that you can get the best papers and learn from them. So they have contributed, and a big thanks goes to those two teams as well. So a lot of people I need to thank. If I've forgotten anybody, it's not intentional, but it's a group, it's a joint effort which all of us have worked together to get this organized. I did say earlier on that good things happen when you're involved with PMI. At the same time, PMI is guilty of not promoting the benefits of working with or being involved with PMI. How many of you in this room are PMPs? Can you raise your hands, please? PMPs? Almost there. How many of you are PMI members? Wow, good group. How many of you are PMI members when you took your PMP examination? The bigger group. So somewhere down the line, after becoming a PMP, A lot of us did not renew a PMI membership. And the fault lies with PMI largely, because PMI never communicated the benefits of the membership in the right way, in the right time. How many of you are aware that a renewal of a PMI membership today costs as much or as little as a dinner for four? It's approximately about 3,500 rupees for a year's membership when you renew today. Now, therefore, it's important to understand the benefits which one gets out of renewing this membership. There are people in this room who have been members for over 10 years.